Welcome to Bonds News, your global window into current affairs. A recent study suggests that adopting a plant-based diet can potentially reduce snoring and prevent obstructive sleep apnea, OSA. The research, published in EAGE Open Research, indicates that individuals who consume plant-based foods are 19% less likely to suffer from OSA compared to those with different dietary habits. The study also highlights that unhealthy eating patterns, characterized by high consumption of carbohydrates, sugary drinks, high sugar, and high sodium foods, increase the risk of OSA. OSA is a common sleep-related breathing disorder where patients experience repeated pauses in breathing during sleep due to relaxed throat muscles blocking the airway, often indicated by snoring. Plant-based diets, rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and nuts, offer various health benefits. They are believed to reduce inflammation, neutralize free radicals, and decrease oxidative stress, which are factors contributing to OSA. Additionally, these diets help manage obesity, another risk factor for OSA, by promoting healthier food choices and potentially reducing airway obstruction, leading to easier breathing during sleep. Stay tuned for the latest updates. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss a breaking update. Thank you for choosing BGN channel as your source for up-to-the-minute news.